Following the reports of labourers assaulted by pressure groups during checking conducted by them, the state government asked the pressure groups to act responsibly over law and order issues in the state. The pressure groups since last couple of days have taken to enforcing labour and trading licences, erecting ILP check gates and frisking commuters. Speaking on the matter, MDA spokesperson Paul Lyngdoh emphasised that the proper authorities, including the Home Department and Deputy Chief Minister, are responsible for addressing these issues and not the pressure groups.
I would like the Deputy CM in charge Home to react, because a lot of what you shared with me is also news to me. I have not heard about this particular episode that you mentioned. And on the other hand, good sense should always prevail, because whether it's the government, parties in the opposition or NGOs, we all are trying to lift Meghalaya up, elevate the state to enable us to unleash our full potential as a powerhouse of culture, music, and therefore we would need each one to act responsibly.
Okay, thank you.